massage. This certificate vouches for his proficiency.
That's the budget.
Brother Lasky, you have been elected junior warden of this lodge, and you will now be invested with the jewel of your station. The plumb, my brother, admonishes you to walk uprightly in your several stations, to hold the scales of justice in equal poise, to observe just momentum between temperance and pleasure, and to make our passions and prejudices coincide with the line of our duty. To you it is committed the superintendence of the craft during the hours of refreshments. It is necessary, therefore, that you should practice moderation and discretion in the indulgence of your own inclinations, and that you carefully observe that the means of refreshment are not converted to improper or excessive use. Your regular punctual attendance is particularly requested, and I have no doubt that you will faithfully execute the duty which you owe to your present appointments. Look well to the south.